if somebody is listening who is a young designer aspiring to actually become a global brand, or maybe just, like a niche brand, what is one piece of advice you would give it to every girl or every person who is listening today?
So I give the same ones. I'll try to do something different for you. I usually, the one thing which is the most important is that please, I urge you, have your own voice, be authentic. Think of why you want to be a designer. What do you want to say? Because then otherwise, when you're like struggling, people wonder why they're struggling. I mean, you don't have an original voice. How are you going to cut through the noise, right? That's one, most important. But the second thing is, I urge you to understand what the garment and the fashion industry is. Do your research, come backstage, come to the offices, see it, and then jump into it because it's a very difficult career. It
Hmm.
takes a lot of hard work, and you have to be really thick skinned and resilient to make it in this industry. So, if you don't have those qualities, be a stylist. Sorry, no offense. But making clothes, like actually making things from an idea, physically making, I've worked with so many stylists when like they'll just disregard, say, a particular product or a garment or whatever. I'm like, it's easy just to criticize when you've not had to build it. So building is a very, very difficult thing, and to have that discipline to edit and what's good, what's not, how to balance. You asked me the Indian with the Western, all
Hmm.
those things. So it's not an easy career. So people think it's a cakewalk, but I think about
No.
these things before you come and 100% dive into this as a career.